In this video, we show you how to use Hollow Font Effect to add dimension to our fonts and make our travel video pop. It is simple and easy to use. Start by clicking the app's icon in the bottom left side toolbar and search for the Photos app. Drag the photo you want into the design space and resize it. Next, download and place back into your Uploads folder. With an image highlighted, click on BG Remover to remove the background. Go to the Share button in the top right corner of the screen and download, making sure to click the transparent background button. When the image downloads, click the download icon at the top and drag it over to the Uploads folder. Delete the background removed image from your design space. Go back to the Uploads folder and drag the original image over to the design space. Next, bring the background removed image over to the design space and place it on top, aligning the two. In the left toolbar, click the text icon. Add your text and change the font to Anton and enlarge it. Click on the duplicate button in the small toolbar. Click to highlight the text and then find Effects in the Edit toolbar. Open the Effects drop-down and find Hollow. Click on Position and arrange the layers so that the full text is layered under the hollow text with the background removed image placed between them. Download the finished image and drag it into your Uploads folder. Do this for all the images you want in your video. I did 5 different world cities. Once you have all the images you want for your travel video, open a YouTube video design space and add your first completed image from the Uploads folder to it. To add more images, click on the plus sign and then drag the image into it. You can move the clips around by dragging them into place. Clicking on Add Transition opens the transition options. Hover over them to see what the transition does. Each of these new clips are 5 seconds long. You can adjust the length of the clips moving the edges. Once you have all your images and transitions in place, play through the video to make sure it is the way you want it. Of course, you can also add sound to the video as well by grabbing a sound file from audio in your Uploads folder and dragging it over to the video. Go over to Share and choose MP4 file type. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for watching.